Here's a short demonstration that you can follow along with to incorporate active conscious listening into your daily practices. When we hear the word vibration, we often think of something obvious like music or an instrument or the sound of your voice. But the truth is, everything is vibrating, as you well know. This can be a tough concept, though, to fully grasp because it's not always something we can see or hear. So when I'm talking about vibration as a self-care tool, I'm really talking about tuning in to all vibration within and around you. Conscious listening is how we start to sense and work with that energy in a deeper way. So today we're going to talk about using the sounds in our environment as a tool for listening to help us get a little more deeply grounded into our bodies. So I invite you now to close your eyes, if that is comfortable for you, and start to put your attention onto your ears, almost like you're opening up your ears more. Sometimes it's helpful to touch your ears or even put your hands behind your ears. Just feel like you're opening them up into the sounds of your environment. And perhaps start to take a couple deep breaths and see if you can start to focus on one sound, then another, like a background awareness of all the sounds that you're hearing. Even the internal sounds of your breathing, perhaps your heartbeat, maybe your stomach rumbling, and the external ones, birds or cars going by. So just take a minute or so right now in the stillness and listen. You are literally at this point focusing yourself in the present moment. Your heart rate, your blood pressure is decreasing, endorphins and melatonin are being released because you're getting yourself into a much deeper state of relaxation, a deeper brainwave state. And that is building resiliency and presence. It's something very simple that you can do anywhere you are, even for a few seconds. This practice of deeper listening to external sounds in our environment is the first step in learning how to truly listen to your body's inner messages and your own inner voice. The more that we attune to the world around us, the more we awaken our body's own wisdom.